Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I will show you how you can create a voting poll or survey in WhatsApp. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, then do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. In this tutorial video, I will show you how you can create a voting poll or a survey in the WhatsApp app. Now, we have this feature on Telegram and many other social media applications, but unfortunately, WhatsApp has not rolled out this feature yet. In that case, we have to take the help of a third-party service. So what we can do is we can simply open the Google Chrome app, and you want to simply go to a website which says ferendum.com. So I'll also make sure to leave this link down in the description box. Go ahead and simply type in ferendum.com. It is very ideal for creating polls on WhatsApp, as you can see. Now what right over here, what you could do is simply enter the title or the question which you might want to use for your poll. If you want, you can also simply actually enter a comment, which is really optional, but you could go ahead and enter any of the comments which you have. After that, you could simply enter your name or email, which is actually recommended. Now you could go ahead and simply actually do this if you want to. Now you can see it says write the options. You can use a calendar if there are dates. So you have option 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want to add more options, you could go ahead and do that as well. I'll simply go ahead and enter any of the random options right on this page. Once you've entered the options as well, you can come back and you can add more configurations, such as whether you want this to be an anonymous poll or table of votes, or you can make it a private or a public poll and allow voting option, and you can see allow participation and so on. Now you have to simply accept the terms and services and then tap on the option which says create poll survey right over here. As you tap on create poll survey, this option you can see right over here, it says how to create WhatsApp polls. Now over here, what you could do is you have to simply tap on the finish button, or else you could simply tap on this option which says WhatsApp. So simply go ahead and tap on the WhatsApp app in order to share this to WhatsApp. Once you tap on the finish button, go ahead and select the option which says WhatsApp. As you tap on WhatsApp, now you could basically go ahead and send it to the group or a certain person. For example, you could go ahead and simply send it, and right over here, you can see the link. You can simply go ahead and paste the link. Now, the only downside is that you will not be able to see the polls within the app, but at least you can go ahead and simply tap on it, and then you'll be able to be redirected to that page, and you'll simply be able to vote. Right over here, you can see any of the votes which you want to submit, and then simply tap on the submit button right over here. This is the way on how you can create survey polls in WhatsApp. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.